Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about monsoon rain in India, effects and significance of it. Our today's question is discuss in detail monsoon rains in India, effect and significance on the economy. Our demand is we need to discuss the whole topic means we need to provide positives and negatives of it, need to provide significance on the Indian economy. Significance of this question is that can be asked in GS paper 1 under heading of Indian geography and can be asked in GS paper 2 under the heading of important geophysical phenomena, agriculture resources and climate change. Our introduction need to provide monsoon's definition. Monsoon connects the climate associated with several reversal in the direction of winds. The reversal of wind occurs due to the pressure differences caused by differential heating and cooling of land mass and water bodies. In Indian agriculture is considered a gamble against monsoon because agriculture activities over almost all the parts of India are very much dependent upon the monsoon rainfall. In fact, monsoon is the axis around which the Indian economy revolves. Hence, monsoon play a very important role in shaping Indian economy and IMD forecast it in India. You can use this map in your answer. The darker blue area was associated with the heavy rainfall means above 200 centimeters. Then the lighter one was between 100 to 200 centimeters and then more lighter was between 60 to 100. Then white one was below 60. Significance of monsoon in agriculture and in Indian economy. Agriculture is backbone of Indian economy. Near about 70% of the population engaged in agriculture activities and in rural area mostly dependent on agriculture. To contribute in GDP about 18%. Kharif crop are majority dependent on rainfall for the proper growth. In India, water is more valuable than gold for the farmers. One who engaged in agriculture, in case monsoon is favorable, then we have positive impact of, or if not favorable, then the prices of goods increase and services of other class of people is diminished. Products of industry do not find a ready market and the supply of raw materials to industries also. Positive effects of monsoon. It helps in irrigation activities, help in growing various crops and increase the production of agriculture. Monsoon help us to recharge water table, seasonal rivers, dams and reservoirs. We can use them further. Also help to increase fishing activities. Monsoon bring water and provide relief from the high temperature which was because of climate change. By these activities our exports are increased and it also increase our GDP contribution. Then negative impacts of monsoon. Excessive rainfall cause of flood, soil erosion, landslides. Then we lose so many lives and infrastructure too. Then we can also lose crops, increase hunger, increase poverty. Then farmer suicide also increase, prices of goods also increase and our exports are decreased. Crop failure is also increased concerns about our food security. Low rainfall cause of drought, hydropower sector, irrigation facilities and rural economy. 72% of rural population engaged in it. Then both excessive and low rainfall cause for the famine, ultimately loss of GDP. Then our way forward would be IMD need to use modern technologies and need to provide localized forecast of monsoon. It will help us in disaster preparedness at various places like coastal zones who are more vulnerable. Then for this stability during bad monsoon, we need to make proper irrigation facilities, agriculture reforms, farmer centric policies and watershed management. Then government it can also provide modern technologies, equipments and subsidies in seed and fertilizer for the farmers' welfare. Our conclusion would be thus to secure and bring sustainability to the climate pattern and agriculture for the economy of India, we need to take effective and timely steps not just at the domestic front. National Action Plan on Climate Change, which was discussed by us 3 or 4 times before, but also at international front, UN Framework Convention on Climate Change, as we live in a shared world with a shared future. This is NAPCC plan. National Solar Mission, National Mission on Enhanced Energy Efficiency, National Mission on Sustainable Habitat, National Water Mission, National Mission for the Sustainable Agriculture, then National Mission for the Strategic Knowledge for the Climate Change, National Mission for the Sustainable Himalayan Ecosystem, National Mission for Green India. So this is So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.